Woo! Hey everyone, this is Daryl from Crypto Daily Trade Signals, just recording to you on my balcony, guys. You can see it's a rainy day here in Hue, Vietnam, guys. It's pretty cold. It's 21 degrees, and I'm feeling the cold, guys. And I thought I'd just shoot the video on the balcony. And yeah, guys, I know a lot of you are panicking out there. Remember, this is not financial advice. This is just the OG in the house expressing opinion. This video is not financial advice, guys. So you guys know that, and I know that I've been seeing that in our private WhatsApp group, our members group, we're seeing that we had over like 500 messages, and people are panicking and asking, why did Bitcoin go down? What's going on, guys? And all of this kind of stuff. And you guys, I'm going to jump into and tell you why Bitcoin's going down. Also, we had Elon Musk. He was talking about Bitcoin and Dogecoin and how Dogecoin is better for transactions and this and that. But the total impact of Elon Musk's statement on Dogecoin was zero. And some people saying, oh, it's Elon Musk's fault why Bitcoin went down. This is not true. It has nothing to do with Elon Musk's impact on his statement. Had nothing to do with anything. It didn't even affect Dogecoin. I mean, like, nobody cares, because everybody's like, Elon, dude, you promised the Bitcoin for Tesla and Dogecoin for Tesla, and if that doesn't happen, no one's taking him seriously anymore. So you can see, I feel that Elon Musk's credibility is definitely going down in the toilet, guys. So we're going to jump into that. We're going to talk about why Bitcoin is down, why Ethereum is down, why the whole crypto space is down. What does that mean for you and me? We're also going to talk about, is this the end of the bull run? Or is this just kind of a consolidation before we go up to the next leg? We're going to jump into that. We're going to talk about that. I'm going to show you proof evidence, what's going to happen. And we're just going to get into it, guys. So, guys, if you're watching, please go down there. Smash the likes, guys. Smash the likes. Subscribe. And don't forget to comment, guys. And, I just want to say, guys, stop panicking out there. Stop freaking out. I mean, I know a lot of you, your portfolios are down a lot. I mean, yeah, my portfolio is down as well, but this is not the first time we've seen these kind of things happen. And if you look at where a Bitcoin is right now, trading around about $47,000 to $48,000, we were here only like 2 or 3 days ago, so nothing really has changed, guys. Nothing has really changed. The only exception is we're seeing a lot of altcoins have gone down dramatically as well, and that's because of a couple of factors. That's because Bitcoin is down, and we're going to talk about why Bitcoin is down. So let's jump into it, guys, without any further delay. And guys, stop panicking, stop going nuts, stop wetting the bed, stop running for the hills, guys, and go back and watch my previous videos. Monster bull run, the Santa rally is coming, and that should give you some evidence of what I think is going on and what I think is going to happen, guys. So, guys, don't panic, guys, just don't panic. So let's jump in it. So right now we're seeing that we're seeing that all the broader markets right now in Monday in the US was down. Right now it's Tuesday morning here in Vietnam, and most of the markets are closed because in America it's 11 p.m. in the evening. So we're seeing that all the broader markets were down in the US. Let me just flip over the US. We're seeing that Dow Jones was down, the S&P was down, NASDAQ was down, and then we're seeing that most of the Asian markets are also down as well. So we're seeing that globally all the broader markets are down, and we're seeing a lot of reason for that was because of this. We had Prime Minister Boris Johnson says that at least one person has succumbed to the O variant in the UK, so that didn't help. That pushed things down. So these are some of the things that are being real catalysts. But the biggest thing is, Bitcoin and Ethereum is down 6% as uncertainty around the Fed taper lingers. So you guys know that new comments came from Fed Chairman Powell as he hints the official could be tapering off the bond program. So in the U.S. they had this whole bond program. It was helped to secure the economy because of this and that. So what we're seeing is that the market has tumbled, and there's a big meeting. The big Federal Reserve meeting is on the 16th, so that's really going to decide what the economic policy is. So you can see that markets tumble from last week, still haven't cleared up. As of Monday, Bitcoin and Ethereum are still down around about 6%, right? And last week, we had the Chinese FUD, right? The Chinese real estate developers Evergrande and Caixa had missed their U.S. dollar bond payments, causing crypto markets to dip. So we saw that already, and then on top of that, now we have pressing concerns whether the Federal Reserve will alter its plan to slow down its bond buying program, concluding in March instead of June. So this impact was apparent on crypto and the broader market. So this is why, these are the reasons why crypto is down, because the broader markets are down, is because Federal Reserve tapering, and also because we had also the thing in the England, and this is still a huge concern for a lot of peoples, a lot of countries. I mean, I really think it's a nothing burger. But on the bright side, we're still seeing that once again we're seeing that Dow Jones slips. Elon Musk says that Bitcoin Dow Jones slips. Elon Musk says this. Bitcoin plunges. AMC stock, GameStop, everything is going down right now. And Elon Musk, he says the price of Bitcoin took a dive after Tesla CEO Elon Musk touted Dogecoin over Bitcoin in an interview with the Times Magazine. And this is what Elon said: fundamentally, Bitcoin is not a good substitute for transactional currency, said the executive, who in the magazine's 2021 Person of the Year interview said even though it was created as a silly joke, Dogecoin is better suited for transaction. I mean, I agree. Dogecoin is better for transactions because it's faster and the transaction fees are lower. But you can see, even though the Musk are in the house, he did say something really positive about Dogecoin. It had really no impact. I mean, Dogecoin is still trading at 16 cents. It went as low as 15 cents. It's come up from that. So it really had no impact. It was really a nothing burger, guys. So other stuff, once again, Federal Reserve decision, retail sales. What do we know this week? So basically, investors this week are set to focus on Federal Reserve's final monetary policy, which will come out, and that meeting will start on the 16th. So you're seeing that a lot of retail investors and even institutional investors, or everyone's just waiting on the sidelines. And we're seeing that the price of Bitcoin right now on the weekly, we're seeing that the price of Bitcoin right now has gone down to 47,094. Today, on this week alone, it's gone as low as 45,000. We're up from that. We're still well above the 21-day EMA, so that's not looking good. And then if we look at Bitcoin right now, it's trading at 47,073. We're well below this. We're well below this resistance level. People are saying this is we formed kind of a head and shoulders pattern. Yes, typically this is bullish. We should break out from that, but it's not happening. But you're seeing, there's more and more evidence right here, and you're going to see it. That you're seeing. Let me just get to it. Let me get to it right here. You're seeing more and more evidence here of people buying. The whales and institutions are still buying up Bitcoin on the OTC. So the total BTC on OTC desk balance appears the metric has already bounced. So we're seeing that the buyers, the whales, are still buying up Bitcoin on the OTC market, and this is really interesting. And last time we saw these, the big OTC markets start to bounce, we saw a huge spike in the Bitcoin price, guys. So we're seeing that's what's happening here. We're seeing that the Bitcoin price is down, the OTC markets are buying up, so this institutions are whales. And this is usually the prelude, guys, the prelude to Bitcoin taking off. And we need to talk about Bitcoin. We don't need to talk about Shiba Inu and Doge and anything else, because Bitcoin is really the catalyst that's going to drive the markets higher and higher. So we're seeing the whales are still buying the dips, guys, and this is really cool information. And we had the story out from Willy Woo right here, and we still see that buying a dip is visualized. Spot volume seen on chain has been happening. It's moderate, but most importantly, as yet there is no signs of further sell-off. So you can see that even when the price was low here, back in July, you saw a huge sell-off. And then here, when the price started to dump in July, huge sell-off. Also here in January, there was a huge sell-off when the price started to dump. But you can see here, this is very different. Even though the price is dumping, we are still not seeing a lot of selling. So the red is selling and blue is buying the dips. So we're still seeing there's more people buying the dips right now, more people buying the dips than selling. So this is fundamentally telling me one thing, that something is going to happen. Something has to give, and I still believe that the on-chain data and the on-chain matrix is still very positive. We're still seeing that the supply shock for Ethereum and Bitcoin is still, we're not seeing much supply on exchanges. And we are seeing, as I said, we're seeing more and more OTC buys, which confirms that institutions are buying. So this really doesn't add up that we're absolutely in a bear market. And we're also seeing the total supply of stablecoins on exchanges currently at an all-time high, about 21.5 billion. So once the macro uncertainty storm rolls through, we could see a significant amount of this capital enter the market. So right now we're seeing a lot of stablecoins being put onto exchanges, and I believe this is because People are rallying up and people are preparing to buy. But everybody's just sitting on the sidelines waiting for this whole Fed thing to wash out and find out exactly what's going on. And you know, Jeremy Powell, they're very concerned because right now we're seeing that inflation is at 6.8%, you know, in last month, and it's out of control. So they need to do something about that. But we're still seeing that people are still pouring on stable coins onto exchanges in preparation of buying back and bringing more liquidity into market. So that's what's really going on. So, you know, is the bull run over? I would say no, because you can see even the bears right now, you can see even the bears in the house right now, they're also stopped you know, producing short positions. The bears have stopped taking short leverage positions on Bitcoin right now because they don't know. Nobody really knows what's going on. Is it going to go up? Is it going to go down? But the fundamentals are looking very positive for Bitcoin, guys. The fundamentals are strong. So you guys have to stop panicking in the house and just keep calm and weather the storm. I mean, I still think, and I am a buyer, you know, I'm still going to be dollar cost averaging. I'm going to be picking up some more Bitcoin today or tomorrow because this is a great, I think it's a great buying opportunity. And we can see that with Bitcoin, you know where we are now, we were only here on the 4th of December. We were here. That was only like 10 days ago. 10 days ago, we are at exactly the same price that where we're at now. So, guys, we have been here before, and I don't think it's anything that you guys need to panic and worry about. And if we zoom out, guys, and if we zoom out on the daily chart, you can see that we know overall, you know, the overall trend for Bitcoin is still very positive. If you look at the overall trend, you know, from if you zoom way out, you can still see that, you know, Bitcoin, sure, we had this drop here, but overall the trend is looking very good. And we have been here before many times. This is a level of support. Here, here, and here, you can see it many times. So this just indicates for me, if you zoom out, it's not looking too bad, and I think that Bitcoin is going to reverse, and we're going to get a big bounce to the upside very soon, guys. So let's take a look at the fear and greed index in the house. So right now, we're in extreme fear because this whole you know, Federal Reserve meeting, Jeremy Powell and the O variant has once again, and also the China thing, has pushed people and push the sentiment down, and people are extremely fearful right now. But this is a contradictive indicator, meaning you should do the opposite. So if people are in extreme fear, this is a good opportunity to buy, guys. Absolutely good opportunity to buy. So I think that the fundamentals for Bitcoin are still looking pretty good. You know, we have some outliers that are pushing the market down, and also the whalish games are going on, guys. You can absolutely see that, you know, the whalish games are going on because, you know, if Bitcoin was finished and Bitcoin was out of there, why are we seeing that the total amount of purchases of Bitcoin on OTC balances are going up, not going down, right? So, you know, why, you know, the whales know something that we're doing, and this is all manipulation and all whalish games. And, you know, isn't it interesting that, you know, we have the whole Jeremy Powell thing and the uncertainty about Fed tapering, but suddenly we have all this negative news about Solana network outage. We have you know, $100 million worth of NFTs were hacked, and all of this negative news seems to suddenly bubble up and coincides with these big dips, guys. So is this coincidental or is it intentional? You guys, you know, smash the likes and comment. Don't forget to smash the likes if you're watching the live stream. Don't forget to give a super chat in the house, guys. So stop panicking, guys. Stop panicking. I know a lot of you are panicking, and this is the opioid, guys. As I said, I'm going to repeat myself. You can beat me up in the comments, but Bitcoin fundamental is still looking good, and I still believe that we still have one huge pump to the upside at minimum before we start to see big downside, guys. So I wouldn't worry about it too much in the house, guys. So let's take a look at Dogecoin right now again. And Dogecoin, you know, we had the Elon Musk effect. It has really no effect, had absolutely no effect. And right now we're seeing that Dogecoin is at 15.72. So it is what it is, guys. You know, you just have to hold. Once again, we're seeing that you know, Dogecoin right now has gone below the 17-cent support, and we haven't. Last time we saw that was back in July when it went all the way down to this area here. But then again, when we went down to this level in July, we had a huge rise to the upside, and we went up to almost 35 cents. So I believe that once Bitcoin does a big pump, we're going to see Dogecoin start to make its moves, guys. And I believe that's going to be true, and we're going to see that happening, guys. And also right now now we can see that you know, Shiba Inu is just holding that support. It's exactly on the support line. And once again, we're still waiting and waiting for Bitcoin to break out before we see any, you know, decisive moves in the Shiba Inu price. So, you know, you're seeing all the altcoins are down. Ethereum is also down. Ethereum is at 37.75 right now. That's way below the psychological level of 4,000. We do have some support here. So, you know, all these areas right now, it's now resistance at the 3,400. This is now resistance at the 4,200 level, and the 4,000 has become huge resistance, guys. So, you know, I know a lot of you are probably panic selling, you know, and I'm not telling you not to do that. Remember, I'm not a licensed financial advisor, but, you know, you may want to consider never selling at a loss, guys. And remember, you know, the next halving is coming very soon in 2024. So worst case scenario, if you're not in a hurry, just hold your coins to then, and then we're going to see huge parabolic rise. But I still don't believe that, you know, Bitcoin is going to close the year at, you know, a high of 68,000. I still think there's lots of gas in the tank, and I believe that, you know, we're going to see some consolidation. And I think that, you know, the last week of December, things are going to be euphoric again, and things are going to start going up. And, you know, Bitcoin has done that before. Bitcoin will make the moves, guys. And I believe it, and that's why I'm still holding on. We're seeing that Solana right now is breaking down to $154. So, you know, what I'm going to do is I'm going to wait to the $140 level, and then I'm going to be picking up some more Solana and making some moves into Solana. Matic is also, you know, Matic is actually holding up not too bad, and it's at $101.83 in the house. And, you know, we have super duper resistance at $2. And once it gets back up there, you're going to see that Matic is just going to start making some huge moves, guys. So let's take a look at the market cap right now. So the market cap is looking pretty nasty and pretty gnarly in the house. And, you know, we could even drop below 2 trillion for sure before we get the next leg up, guys. This whole consolidation, this is a shakeout. And, you know, we can see that on the OTC markets, the whales are still buying up, guys. The whales are still buying up. So we're seeing that the volumes are picking up. So that's pretty good. It's at 82.89 million. And the dominance is going up. So that's not good, guys, because that means that the altcoins are actually going to start to lose some of their value, guys. So let's take a look at the markets in the house right now. So we're seeing that Bitcoin is down almost 4%. It's at $4,700 and change. We're seeing that Ethereum is getting crushed right now. It's down 5%. And it's at 3,786. And one of the reasons that Ethereum is doing worse than Bitcoin is because the dominance is there, right? So, you know, right now we're seeing that Ethereum dominance is only 20.53%. And we want to see that higher, around 22, and to make it significantly important to drive up the price. We're seeing that also BNB is down almost 6%. It's at 526. We're seeing that Solana is down 8%, 8.25%. That has to do with network outages and, you know, this and that. So that's what's driving that. We had some network outages last night as well. So it's $154.17. But I love Solana. I'm holding my Solana. I believe that by the next bull run, it can be worth at least $1,000 or $2,000. Now ADA is going down again, 6.64% down. Once again, I'm a buyer at $1, but right now I'm not looking at it, not touching it. DOT is down 10%. It's at $26.35. We're seeing Doge is down 4.46%. So, you know, Doge is almost in line with Bitcoin in terms of it's going down. We're seeing that it's at 15.8. We're seeing that Luna has flipped the Shiba Inu right now, and Luna is at 54.46. We're seeing that the SHIB is at 34, and it's down 5.62%. So Avalanche is down as well. It's down 10%. So overall, everything is looking red. You know, the altcoins are bleeding out, guys. It is what it is, guys. Let's take a look at the OG portfolio in the house. Let me just give this a minty refresh. We don't want to do that. Please wait. Here we go. So if we look at my gaming portfolio, we're down right now. Remember, this is not financial advice, guys. This is just the OG in the house expressing opinion. We're still up 14%, and we're still got $34,000 in profit. But you know, we've gone down. We've gone down like 30K in 24 hours. So that's ouch, guys. So let's take a look at the channels portfolio in the house right now. Let me just put that into the pie chart mode. So we're seeing right now, our portfolio is still okay, guys. We're still up 60%, and we have a total profit of $3,000. Remember, this portfolio is just for education and entertainment purposes, and you know, I'm not a licensed financial manager, guys. And if you're watching, guys, please consider giving a super chat in the house. Smash that like, subscribe, guys. What are you waiting for? And you know, we're still at $8,000, so we're still in profit, guys. So with that being said, I just want to say, guys, don't forget to go and join, follow me on Twitter, guys. Follow. We got 3,447 followers, guys. Let's get this to 4,000 followers. Let's get it. And I just want to say, God bless each and every one. I love you, guys. I love you. Stop panicking, guys. Cheer up. HELL. Cheer up, guys. I love you, guys. And you know, we're gonna have the Santa rally. Don't worry about it, guys. We're going to go up there, and I think after the 16th of December, you're gonna see a big Biddy's gonna make some moves, and crypto's gonna go up again, and you guys will be feeling hunky dory. So go down there one last time, smash the likes, show some love for the OG in the house, and I just want to say, God bless each and every one of you. You guys are the best. And don't forget to check out my merch, guys. Check out the merch. Get the mug. Gear up with the OG gear. It's almost Christmas time, guys. And don't forget to check out the Wifey's channel. You're going to love it. Check it out, guys. And she's got Christmas music going on. And guys, just take a look at that. Just take a look at where I am right now, guys. You're going to love it. Guys, take a look at this, guys. This is where I am. Take a look. Huh? Can you see it out there? This is the garden, the back garden. Huh? It's beautiful. Guys, so just want to say, God bless each and every one of you guys. Have a great day. I love it. You love it. Let's get it, guys. Okay? Be blessed, guys. Be absolutely blessed. I'll see you in the next one. Peace out, guys. Woo!